Each year, we come together to celebrate World Migratory Bird Day. It's a global campaign to raise awareness of migratory birds and why we need to protect them.
Well, this year's theme is Shared Spaces, creating bird-friendly cities and communities. It reminds us that cities should be places for both people and birds.
Birds face many challenges in and around cities. These include habitat loss and other unique urban threats like window collisions, light pollution, and predation by free-roaming pets.
Rapid urbanization is shrinking the green spaces birds rely on. Particularly in coastal areas, large-scale development has affected wetlands that waterbirds need to rest and feed.